Hello, Annie. So this is going to be a little tour of my car. So this is my little Infiniti car. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. Let's clean it. Let's go grab something from the trunk. What do we have? Oh, let's open this guy up. Okay. We'll open you up. Uh-oh. Alright. Ignore all the shit I have in here. Alright, let's clean up the car. There's a lot of dust in here, so let's see. Ooh, nicer. I like it. So, that's my little car. Oh, there's a little Infiniti thing on here. Ooh, how fancy. Fancy schmancy. That is my sister-in-law's car. It's a big truck. I think you would like that much better than my car, because you like SUVs. So yeah, just my car. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.